many times have you started a new diet on Monday and quit by Wednesday? Strict diets don't work. Sick of feeling guilty every time you eat something you shouldn't? Here's the good news. You can lose weight without them. You just need a better plan. Losing weight without dieting is possible. You just need 5 simple tips that actually work in real life. Tip number 1. Maximum meals home cooked. Try to make most of your meals at home. It's easier to control portions, ingredients, and hidden calories. Plus, home-cooked food is usually fresher and way better for you. Healthy foods keeps you full longer, so you naturally eat less junk. You're satisfied, not starving, and that's how you lose weight without feeling miserable. Tip number 2. Fix your eating routine. Having a simple daily meal routine stops random cravings and mindless snacking. Your body knows what to expect, so it's easier to stay on track without overthinking every meal. Eating tiny portions might help for a day, but soon you're starving, and that leads to cravings and overeating later. In the end, you feel miserable and gain it all back. Tip number 3. There must be salad, veggies, proteins, and carbs in your plate. Aim to build every plate with a balance, some salad or veggies, a good protein source, and smart carbs. It keeps you full, fuels your body, and stops you from reaching for junk later. Load up on veggies, lean protein like chicken or beans, plenty of fiber, and a bit of healthy fat like nuts or avocado. They keep you full and your cravings in check. Tip number 4. Take single servings and avoid refills. Serve yourself one plate, enjoy it slowly, and avoid going back for seconds. It's a simple trick that helps you eat less without feeling deprived. Tip number 5. Chew your food correctly and stay active. Slow down and really chew your food. It helps you feel full faster and keeps you from overeating without even trying. Stay active. It doesn't mean hours at the gym, just walk more, dance around the house, play with your pets, or take the stairs. Little moves add up to big results. Remember, real weight loss doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, but every small step adds up if you stick with it. Celebrate the small wins. Every healthy meal, every walk, every better choice counts. Those tiny wins add up to real, lasting progress. So, maximum meals must be home-cooked, your eating routine must be fixed, proteins, veggies and carbs must be in your plate. Stop refilling again and again and chew food correctly and stay active. That's how you lose weight without ever dieting again. If this helped you, hit the like and subscribe for more videos.